President Emerson Mnangagwa's political instincts are sharp. He understands that power in Zimbabwe is not inherited, it is defended. By neutralizing General Chiwenga, he removes the last major figure with both military clout and political legitimacy to challenge his rule. Sadabina mashoko ari kuda panguva ine vanhu mapolitical commentators panguva ine they are commenting pamusoro pezviitiko zviri kuitika muruling party ZANU-PF. Zvinokonzwa kunzi mutungamiri wenyika panguva ine angosara ne-last move yaakuona kuti ichamukosta isidha ichamukosta oro achakwanisa kukonga Zimbabwe kusvika nokusingaperi. Sadabina mashoko ari kuda panguva ino torimba subscribe or like on the bell icon chipamusoro rwanoramira achiti but in doing so he risks destabilizing the very foundation of ZANU-PF's internal balance. The military, long a silent stakeholder in Zimbabwean governance, may not take kindly to the sidelining of one of its own, and the public, already weary of economic hardship and political stagnation, may see this as yet another betrayal of the promises made in the post-Mugabe era. Zimbabwe's governance cannot afford to be held hostage by elite rivalries. The Mnangagwa-Chiwenga fallout is emblematic of a broader dysfunction, a political culture where personal ambition trumps national interest, and where loyalty is transactional, not principled. The consequences are real. Policy paralysis, institutional erosion, and public disillusionment are the inevitable outcomes of a leadership obsessed with self-preservation. This analysis is not a defense of General Chiwenga, it is a defense of accountability. Zimbabweans deserve leaders who serve, not scheme. The betrayal of General Chiwenga is a warning when loyalty is punished and service is politicized. No one is safe, not even the kingmakers. It is time for Zimbabwe to rise above the politics of betrayal. Public office must be reclaimed as a platform for service, not a battleground for succession. The future of this nation depends on it. Ndomashoko ari kuda panguva ino achitaurwa nemapolitical commentators achiti aiwa right now hatisi kudefenda general kana kusapota mutungamiri wenyika, but we are defending the truth, we are defending the constitution, we are securing the future of our own generations. If we remain silent now, our generations are going to suffer. Tidzai mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.